Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to add snoot effect in Photoshop. So by doing this, I'm going to save you a lot of money so you don't have to invest on snoots. Okay, so to do this, first let's head to Pinterest and search for snoot. Click here and download this image. So I have already done that and imported that on my Photoshop. It's over here. So I've also imported my image. This is where I'm going to add this snoot effect. Let's duplicate this layer, and from here on, let's go to any selection tool and click on select subject. And once the selection is done, so the selection is missing here, I'll hold shift key and add this selection again and press Command J to put the selection in a different layer. So from now on, go to the layer 1, then holding Control or Command key, click on the layer 2 button. So the selection will be active again. Now click on the mask. Okay. So now what you need to do is remember the image which we had downloaded, the snoot effect. To this image, let's make a selection of this snoot effect by going for object selection tool, make a selection like this, and then press Command J. The selection is nicely done. Now click on this, press Ctrl C or Command C to copy this and come back to this image, and then click and drag this layer on top of this, and then press Command V or Ctrl V to copy it. Press Command A to increase the size of the snoot effect and then rotate it in a negative way for the suitable angle. Okay, then drag this layer below layer 2. And now what you need to do is, one of the most important step is to change the blending from normal to screen. So there you go. Beautiful snoot effect has been added, but one thing which is missing is the details. So as the light passes through from here to till the background, the depth of field becomes shallow depth of field. So I believe you guessed it right. You need to go to filter, blur, click on Gaussian blur and adjust the radius. Yes, let's click on OK. Now all you need to do is control the opacity. Okay, so that's looking very nice. So let's select all the layers by holding shift key and press Command G to create a group. Let's see before and after. There you go, my friend. I believe you will apply this trick, use it in your images. If yes, when you do it, please do tag us, and also do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you are on Instagram, do not forget to follow us. Thank you so much.